project got over 7 million views on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, and out of all the reactions, one comment stood out. That's the single thing that's on my mind nonstop the entire time we're doing any of these floors. We can do everything possible to create the perfect floor for our customer, but there's always a chance they won't like it. So I'm going to show you how we installed a metallic epoxy floor in a basement, while I tell you a story about how we almost had to deal with that question. You've been watching us install the metallic primer on this project, but a few weeks before we started, I met this customer on a different project where we did a 3-color metallic epoxy floor. She really liked that one, but she said she had been looking online at gray metallic epoxy. So she asked us to switch the colors to 3 different shades of gray. And then right before we started this job, the GC asked me to make a sample just to make sure that the customer was going to like it. We let the samples cure overnight and then we took them to the customer. I texted the general contractor the next day to get their reaction. It was stressful for a little bit. This was a rushed project. They only had a few weeks from the first time they contacted us to when they needed the project to be done. So when she picked 3 colors off of a physical sample deck, we skipped the sample process and ordered all of the materials for the job because we just assumed that she would like them when they were blended together. But obviously, we were wrong. And this is a lesson I've learned over and over and over. Whenever we're doing custom colors, always make samples. Okay, we finished the primer and this is the next day. We're going to start on the metallic coat. Once the customer said she hated the samples, it didn't take long for me to figure out where we went wrong. I always see all of these photos by a lot of my friends on Instagram of floors with a bunch of different colors in them. The entire concrete coatings industry is always promoting low viscosity epoxy that allows you to make floors with long veins of color. So when someone says they want multicolored metallic epoxy, that's immediately where my mind goes. But the thing is that single color metallic floors always look like they have multiple colors in them. This customer had been looking online at simple single color metallic epoxy projects and she just thought that they had multiple colors in them. So I made her a new sample of a single color of metallic epoxy over a contrasting primer color, and it was exactly what she wanted. I've been making courses that teach you how to do these types of floors that you see on this channel, so if you want more info, it'll be the first link in the description. Okay, one more thing. In my last metallic epoxy video, I asked everyone whether they preferred gloss finish or matte finish. And almost everyone hated the matte finish, but we used that on this one too. So let me know which one you like better, gloss or matte, even though I already know the answer. And if you want to see a video of how we do a 3-color metallic epoxy floor, click this video right here. Thanks for watching.